welcome back to another iNick video. Today I will be showing you guys how to set your own custom ringtone. Now, as you guys may have noticed, I've already made a video on this, but that past video wasn't really the best. My microphone was not good and it was not detailed enough. So I'm remaking this video, hoping that it will come out more clear and you guys will understand more. Okay, let's get right into it. Before we start this video though, you want to make sure that you have GarageBand downloaded. You want to make sure that you have Apple Music downloaded. And you want to make sure that you have songs on Apple Music that you can use. Okay, so let's get right going and let's go into GarageBand. And it's going to show up like this. And we're going to press the plus up here. And you're going to get into the main menu where you have all these selections. But today we're going to be using Audio Recorder. We're going to tap Audio Recorder. And we're going to press this little shelf up here. It's right up there. There we have it. And then we're just going to drag this back all the way to 1. We're going to turn off this ticking thing because it's really annoying when you're trying to play your song. And there's a really small plus here by the notch of your iPhone if you have an iPhone X or later. If not, it will still show up right here. You're going to press the plus. You're going to press Section A. And you're going to press automatic bars. What that does is however long your song will go, it will be that long. 8 bars, it'll only show 8 bars of the song, which is really short. So next, what we're going to do is we're going to press this Omega button, which looks like a loop-de-loop. And we have Apple Loops, Files, and Music. So we're going to select Music, and we're going to select albums because I have many albums on here. And we're just going to pick an album. So let's just pick Man of the Woods by Justin Timberlake. And we're just going to hold this song. Hold it. And we're just going to drag it over all the way to the start. And there we have it. We have the song, as you can see.
I brag about you to anyone outside, but I'm a man of the woods, it's my pride.
So once we have that, we're not going to be using the whole song. We can just trim it down to what we like, just so it's a little neater.
I'm sorry, baby, you know I try.
We're going to put it to where we want it to start. We're going to press it, and we're going to press split. Just going to cut it right down the middle. And we're going to press our first loop. We're going to delete that. And then we're going to bring this back to 1. And then we're just going to cut out the other part that we don't want. Once again, split, down, and delete. So there we have it, our mini song here. So this is the part that we want to use.
I'm sorry, baby, you know I try, but I'm a man.
Have it. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go back to my song. So we're just going to press this down arrow. It's going to save. And then we're going to hold on to it. And it says rename. So I'm just going to rename it Ringtone 1. Number sign 1. There we have it. Going to hold on to it again. We're going to press share. And then we have a song. So what a song will do is it'll turn into a song that you can post on SoundCloud or whatever you want to use. A project or a ringtone. And because this video is on making ringtones, we're just going to press ringtone. And we're just going to press export. So it's exporting ringtones. Taking a little longer than I thought. Okay, and then you're just going to press OK. Then you're going to swipe up, home. You're going to find your settings. You're going to scroll down to sound. You're going to press ringtone right here. So one sec, if I just go back to show you again. Sound. Ringtone. And then you're going to select ringtone 1. Okay? Ringtone 1.
Sorry, baby. Sorry, baby. You know I try. I'm a man.
set. And if I just take 1 second, and I'll show you guys what it looks like when it is calling. So I'll be back in a second just to grab my iPad to FaceTime. It does not let you screen record while you're getting a call. We're just going to show it on the camera. So we're just going to call.
Sorry, baby, you know I try, but I'm a man of the woods, it's my pride.
And there we have it. So yeah, that's the video today. Leave a like and subscribe. I just want to say something, guys. My past video got 41 views in 1 day. And let me just tell you, that is amazing. Like, 41 views in 1 day. I remember when I would be getting 10 or 11 views in 1 week, and I'd be so happy. 41 views in 1 day. That is amazing. Thank you guys so much. Keep liking, keep subscribing for more awesome videos. Okay, have a nice day.